The fourth strategy is to evaluate the methods used to produce the insights, just as we've evaluated the data and theories underlying the insights. Our goal here is to find the ways in which the methods used by disciplinarians are skewed, biased, limited. For instance, if a discipline relies on experimentation and rarely uses the case study method, they may not understand how the problem exists in the real world. Their understanding of it is based on an artificial situation they created in a lab. The textbook lists 10 key questions that expand upon the 5 W questions we've referenced several times. 1. Who is being studied? 2. How many are being studied? 3. What is being studied? 4. What elements of a causal explanation can be addressed? 5. What sorts of decision-making can the method examine? 6. Does the method have inductive potential? 7. What sort of causal process can the method investigate? 8. Where is the place or setting of the phenomenon or process being studied? 9. Are the results of the method highly generalizable? 10. When, at what time, can the phenomena be studied? Answering these questions will help us identify the ways in which an author's research methods placed limits on the data, their test of the theory, and eventually the insights they created.